Croatian security services pulled all stops for this visit. All traffic in Zagreb is halted to let Del Ponte's convoy go by. Croatia is staking its all. The government must not fail to demonstrate to Del Ponte that it really wants to find Gotovina. A failure to do so would provoke another delay in the negotiations with the European Union. While Jean Daniel tries to assuage the worries of the European diplomats, Carla Del Ponte and her head of investigations are in a confidential meeting with the Croatian Prosecutor General, who announces the long-awaited news. He has located General Gotovina.
C'est-à-dire, on sait où il se trouve, dans quelle région il se trouve, mais naturellement, on n'a pas encore... on ne sait pas encore exactement dans quelle maison, dans quel village, et on travaille là-dessus.
Il se trouve en Croatie ou à l'extérieur?
Non, il se trouve en dehors de la Croatie. Maintenant, en dehors de la Croatie. Pas loin, mais quand même, c'est-à-dire toujours en Europe. Mais... Donc, avec le procureur Bajic, on a écouté les conversations téléphoniques qu'ils avaient interceptées.
Arriving in Luxembourg, Carla Del Ponte has made up her mind. The evaluation report for the European Union is ready. But before defending her opinions before the Commission, Carla Del Ponte will meet the Croatian Prime Minister here in Luxembourg once again to make sure that he can promise Gotovina's quick arrest.
Ça, c'est Sanader.
C'est lui qui appelle?
Allô? Buongiorno a lei, stavo appunto... Facciamo così, vengo lì al Novotel. D'accordo, va bene, ci vediamo lì. Sì, grazie, a dopo, grazie. Mi scuso, ma... Bene, lei, ministro. How are you? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Carla Del Ponte and the Croatian Prime Minister Ivo Sanader meet face to face. Not even the prosecutor's close aides are invited to attend the meeting. On arrival, the prosecutor is welcomed by Javier Solana, the Union's High Representative for the Common Foreign and Security Policy. A final consultation before revealing her assessment of Croatia's cooperation.
No, the other countries, no, but Croatia is okay. But I would like to speak with you about Serbia.
We will work together. We will continue to work until Gotovina is in The Hague and stand trial.
Good news at last. Ante Gotovina has been arrested by the Spanish police while having dinner at a hotel in Tenerife.
I want just to inform you about a very good news that I have an hour ago, that Ante Gotovina is arrested. It was arrested this night in Spain, in the Isle Canary, and is now in detention, finally, and he will be transferred to The Hague.
The Croatians have finally justified the trust the prosecutor placed in them.
Les opérations qui marchent, c'est celles qui sont conduites sans la CIA et sans le MI6. Bravo, hein?
On a mérité.